So a lot of you have been wondering where my full review of the Sony X90J is. Unfortunately, my friends, there has been a delay. This is why. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. So I'd done the unboxing video of the X90J and I was beginning to film the full review where we were going to be doing lots of different tests and lots of other bits of information to hopefully give you some sense of whether this was a TV that was worth purchasing or not. Then the Euro 2020, obviously delayed from 2020, competition took place and it got to the final and England got to the final. So I decided that I would take the TV down and then put up my projector screen. So the projector screen is a 100-inch projector screen and it's got the ultra short throw laser projector underneath, as you can see. That created a brilliant night. Unfortunately, the result was terrible. However, when I then put the TV back on, we had an accident when I was trying to put it back onto the stand, and this is what happened when I turned it on. The LCD screen had obviously just completely cracked underneath the outside glass. So if this happens to any of you, then don't bother wasting a single second seeing whether you can repair this, because although technically possible, it would be completely beyond economical repair. Now, this TV cost me £1,799. I only bought it in June. This was my own personal TV, which was pride of place on my wall there, and so therefore I claimed on my home insurance, and fortunately I have now received the replacement, and so I will now be doing the full review. So this has been the very first time in years and years of buying TVs that this has happened to me. But what it does point out is that it is worth having insurance. And although some people don't want to pay for that extra accidental damage, the fact that I was really at fault when I dropped this TV and it fell face forward onto the ground before I was putting it onto the stand, that obviously would have not paid out unless their accidental damage clause had been in place. And obviously with this being just completely ruined, there was no manufacturer problem with the TV at all. It was obviously caused by my good self. So guys, if you are debating and you're spending this type of money on any of your tech or gadgets, then please make sure that you're covered so that you also would have your TV replaced. So my friends, that is the reason for the delay. I do apologise, but it is on its way to you and it will be here within the next few days. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure that you double check your insurance policies for accidental damage, because it could be very costly if you don't. See you on the next one, guys.